Hello everyone. In this video, I'm unboxing and testing one of the most popular portable air pumps on Amazon, the 150 PSI 12V DC tire inflator for cars, bikes, motorcycles and inflatables. I'll walk you through unboxing and first impression of the product, how to use the tire inflator, real-time pressure test, auto shut-off feature, and the final verdict whether it's worth buying in 2025 or not. So, in the box you'll find the air compressor itself. It's pretty compact. I love the yellow design, to be honest. A 12V DC power cable that connects directly to your car socket, a pressure gauge built right in, extra nozzles for inflating balls, bicycle tires and other inflatables, and of course the user manual. So let's get started. Now, before you pump air into your tires, always check the recommended pressure for your vehicle. You can find this information on the tire itself, where it says the maximum PSI rating, like this one here, which is shown on the tire. Remember, I made a mistake. So on the driver's side door frame, there's usually a sticker that says something like front 33 PSI, rear 35 PSI. So the car's manufacturer's number, which is a door sticker, is the one you should go with. That's the optimal air fill for your vehicle. Alright, let's fill some air now. So simply for step 1, you have to plug the inflator into your car's 12V power socket. For step 2, connect the air hose to your tire's valve stem and screw it tight. For step 3, set your desired PSI using the gauge. I'm setting mine to 42 PSI. Well, now you can simply replicate the same process for the other tires as well. And it fills quite fast. Once it reaches the set pressure, it automatically shuts off, so you don't have to worry about overfilling. My 2 cents on this product: it's lightweight, quick, crazy convenient, and the best part, it's under $20. This tiny inflator has earned its permanent spot in my car trunk. Honestly, for the price, it's a no-brainer. It's a must-have for every driver. And now, let's go for the drive, bro!